Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you get rid of gnats from your houses, your grass and your gardens. Gnats are insects that can be damage your grass, your plants, your trees, but you don't need to still worry about that. In this video I want to show you how you get rid or remove gnats from your houses. To make this remedy we will need few ingredients such as rubbing alcohol. Rarely be used for anything, and when it comes to cleaning out your closet or stronger box to repel ants. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used to repel or eliminate common pests. It work eliminated pests that are indoor and outdoor, and also repel the gnats. Essential oil. Essential oil might just to be the holy grail for natural pest repellent and to leave around your home interest point. Now we can make this magical remedy. Simply we just add 1.5 cup of rubbing alcohol into the bowl. And the second one we can just add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into the mixture. And the last we just add 1 teaspoon of essential oil into the mixture. Now mix it well. And look, this spray is ready to use.